Hello everyone, welcome to Python tutorials. In this tutorial, we will try to find country details using Python. So first of all, we will install the module. So pip install and we will install the module country info. So let's run this. So you can see it is in queue. So just wait while this module is being installed, and you can see it has successfully installed it. Now what we will do, from this package, from country info package, we will import country info. Mm, then what we will do, we will take the input from the user and we will pass it in the country info. So just take the input from the user. So enter country name. Okay, so we are taking input from the user and we are passing that input in this country info, and we are storing it in country. Okay, that's it. And now we will try to print the country information. So print, so first of all we will print the country name. So country name, and what we will do, we will use this country dot name function. Okay, that's it. And similarly we will copy this and paste it here. And now country, let's say instead of name I will use capital, and here I will use capital function. So let's try to run this. So we will run this. So enter country name. So let's say we enter the country name India, press enter, and you can see the country name and country capital. Okay, so let's try to find some more information regarding this, and then we will uh, find the population. So copy it and paste it here, and instead of capital, now I will print population. So country population, and here just change the method name to population. Okay, and similarly we will find area in square kilometer. So let's say copy this, paste it here, and here I will type area, and here in bracket I will pass in square kilometers, and function I will use area function. So let's run this and enter country name, and here I will enter the country name India, and you can see the country name, capital, its population, and its area in square kilometer. Similarly I can find the region of the country. So copy this and paste it here, and here I will type the region, and function I will use I will use region function. Similarly, I can find the currency, copy it, paste it here. I can find the currency, and instead of this region function I will use currencies function. So let's run country name USA, and press enter, and you can see the country information. You can see the region and currencies. That's all. So this way you can find the information of any country with the help of Python. Thank you for watching.